Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel. And thanks for encouraging me to do more videos on car tips. This is a continuation of the previous video. The topic is features which are must, which can prevent you from getting into an accident in your car. Number one, corner lighting system. Like for example, you're driving in the road and you're driving it to the left. So the beams of the light will automatically go to the left, where you don't hit a rock or something on the pillar or something on the side. So it's a small feature, but which is necessary for every car. Then seat pre-tensioner. This is a must feature for all the cars. Is seat belt. Is when you brake, the seat belt pulls you back and holds you from getting into an accident. Then brake assistant. Brake assistant is something like, when you brake, it is already pre-charged. So when you brake, it immediately affects and puts a good brake. Then traction control, which is necessary, and electronic stability program is necessary. These are all the features which are must for your car for helping you to prevent accident. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.